everyone! Our ice cream shop is very lively and colorful today. We have lots of soft Play-Doh ready to use, and many fun ice cream molds in different shapes. Everything is ready to welcome our lovely customers. I wonder who our first customer will be.
Is anyone here?
Hello, Emily. What ice cream would you like today?
I'd like a kiwi and grape popsicle, please. I really miss their flavor.
All right. Please have a seat over there and wait a moment. Our first ice cream will be green like kiwi and purple like grapes. Kids, can you help me find them? Here it is! The green kiwi Play-Doh! This yellow ice cream mold looks nice. Let's use this one. Now put the green Play-Doh into the mold. Remember to leave some space for the grape flavor. Great! Spread the Play-Doh nice and smooth. Now, it's time for the purple Play-Doh. Put it in the mold just like the kiwi. Our popsicle is starting to take shape. Add this yellow stick. Now close the mold and press it tight. Time to open it. Wow! A kiwi and grape popsicle is ready! But there are still some extra bits. Let's remove them. Now that the popsicle looks neat and pretty. Wait! It would look even better with some sparkly candy. Let's decorate the popsicle. This will be a special surprise for Emily. I'm sure she will love it. Let's use these yellow candies. They match the popsicle perfectly. Sprinkle a little here and a little more. Perfect! Look how sparkly it is. Let's bring it to Emily. Do you like it?
Wow, it even has sparkly candy! I'm so surprised. It's wonderful.
All right, enjoy your ice cream. Let's wait for the next customer. Oh, isn't that Peppa? Hello, Peppa. What would you like today?
I'd like a blueberry and banana popsicle. Can you make one for me?
Of course, Peppa. Please wait over there for a moment. I'll make it right away. Peppa wants a blueberry and banana popsicle. For the blueberry flavor, we'll use this blue Play-Doh. And for the banana flavor, we'll use yellow Play-Doh. I'll take this red ice cream mold. All right, open it up. First, put the blue Play-Doh on one side of the mold. Spread it out evenly. Perfect! It fills the mold nicely. Now, on the other side, add the yellow banana Play-Doh. Spread it the same way. Great! Now both sides of the mold are filled. Time to add the stick. Let's use this pink stick. Place it right in the middle. Now close the mold and press it tight. Open it up. Wow! A delicious blueberry banana popsicle is ready. Oh, right! I think some sparkly red candy would make it even better. Let's find some sparkly red candy. Is it this one? Nope, that's blue candy. Here it is. Beautiful red flower candy. Let's sprinkle them on top. Add some to the other side too. All done. What do you think, kids? Now let's give it to Peppa. Peppa, your popsicle is ready.
Oh, let me see. Wow, I've never seen a popsicle like this before. It's sparkly on both sides. I'm really impressed. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your ice cream. Earlier, Peppa told me a little secret about our next customer. Are you curious who it is?
Hi, everyone. It's me, Rebecca with the long ears. I heard this shop has many delicious ice creams, so I'd love to try a sweet strawberry popsicle with a little snowflake candy on top. Could you make one for me?
Of course, I'd be happy to. Strawberry ice cream is red. Kids, can you help me find the right Play-Doh? Here it is, the red Play-Doh. And we'll use this green ice cream mold. Put the red Play-Doh into the mold. Make sure to fill both sides evenly. Press it down so it spreads nicely. Now place the popsicle stick in the middle so we can hold the ice cream later. Next, close the mold and press it tight. All right, let's open it. Wow, a red strawberry popsicle is ready. Oh, right, Rebecca wants snowflake candy too. Let's go find it. Do you see the snowflake candy anywhere? Let's look together. Is it this one? No, that's a flower candy. Ah, that's right! Beautiful silver snowflakes. Let's sprinkle them on the popsicle. They sparkle so nicely. Your strawberry popsicle is ready, Rebecca.
Wow, it's so beautiful. I almost don't want to eat it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a yummy ice cream. What popsicle will be next? I'm so excited. Oh, look over there. It's Candy Cat.
Hello, everyone. Candy Cat is here again. It's so hot today, so I'd love a mango and lemon popsicle.
All right, please wait over there for a moment. A mango and lemon popsicle needs yellow Play-Doh for mango and green Play-Doh for lemon. Great! This pink ice cream mold looks perfect for it. Let's open the mold. Take the yellow Play-Doh and put it into both sides of the mold. But only fill half on each side. Spread it evenly. The mango layer is ready. Now do the same for lemon Play-Doh. Next, add this purple stick. Close the mold and press it tight. This step feels familiar, right?
Yes!
Let's open it. Wow, the mango lemon popsicle looks so fresh and cool. Candy Cat must be very thirsty. Let's bring it to him. Wait, let's decorate the popsicle a little. It won't take long. Let's choose this candy. I think it will taste great.
Ooh, yummy, yummy.
All done. Wow, it looks even better than expected. Candy Cat, here is your popsicle. A delicious mango and lemon popsicle.
Wow, I've been waiting for this. Yum, yum, yum. Thank you. I feel much less thirsty now.
You're welcome. Enjoy your treat. Is there any other customer?
Me.
Oh, hello, Zaza. Have you gotten the popsicle you wanted?
I heard everyone say that every ice cream in this shop is delicious. I really like surprises, so please make any popsicle for me.
Of course. I'm sure you'll be surprised. Let's get started. I'll use orange Play-Doh for this one, and this blue ice cream mold. Put the Play-Doh inside and spread it evenly in the mold. Now place the stick in the middle. Close the mold and press it tight. All done! A simple orange popsicle is ready, but it tastes really great. Of course, let's decorate it to make it more colorful. Now we can go to the candy station. The flavor of this blue candy goes really well with the orange flavor. Sprinkle it on top. Wow, the two colors look perfect together. Let's bring it over. Ta-da! Your popsicle is ready.
Really? Let me see. Wow, what a surprise! This popsicle is amazing. I'm so happy. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Let's take one more look at our beautiful popsicles. Today we welcomed many lovely customers and everyone got their favorite ice cream. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye. See you next time.